So for this problem, to find the equation of the tangent line to the curve and perpendicular to this line. So first, we need to find the slope from the equation of this perpendicular line. Then from this equation, we need to solve for y. So transpose this positive 4 to the other side. So this becomes x minus 4 equals 7y. Then to solve for y, we need to divide every terms by 7. So y equals 1 over 7x minus 4 over 7. Then from this to find the slope, so this is the formula for the slope, y equals mx plus b, and m is the slope of the line. So from this, the slope of the perpendicular line is positive 1 over 7. Since we're looking for the equation of the tangent line, so we need to find the slope of the tangent line from the slope of the perpendicular line. So if the slope of the perpendicular line is negative 1 over 4, so the slope of the tangent line, so this one is the negative inverse. If this one is negative, then this becomes positive, and the inverse of 1 over 4 is 4. So the slope of the tangent line is positive 4. Then if the slope of the perpendicular line is positive 2 over 3, so to find the slope of the tangent line, this one is positive, then this becomes negative, then the inverse of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So this is now the slope of the tangent line from the perpendicular line. So from this, since 1 over 7, therefore the slope of the tangent line is negative 7. So since we have now the slope, so we need to find the derivative from the equation of the curve. Then to find the derivative, so y prime equals the derivative of x to the power 4. This is 4x to the power 3. Then for this negative 14x squared, so 14 times 2, this one is negative 28 times x. Then for this positive 17x, so the derivative, so this is positive 17. Then from this, since this slope of the tangent line is equal to the first derivative, so therefore this derivative is equal to negative 7, then equals 4x squared minus 28x plus 17. Then we need to transpose this negative 7 to the other side. So this becomes 4x squared minus 28x plus 17. And this negative 7 becomes positive 7. Then we need to combine. So this positive 17 and positive 7. So this is 4x to the power 3 minus 28x plus 24. Then since every terms divisible by 4, so we need to reduce. So divide every terms by 4. So this becomes x to the power 3 minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Then from this, we need to find the values or the roots of this equation. Since the degree is 3, therefore, there are 3 values for x. Now to find the values for x, so since this one is cubed, so we're going to use the synthetic division. But first, we need to rewrite this equation with complete exponent. So this becomes x to the power 3 plus we need to add 0x squared then minus 7x then plus 6 equals 0. Then we need to take the numerical coefficient. So this is 1, 0, the negative 7, and positive 6. Then we're going to use a trial and error. So let's start with x equals 1. So to do the synthetic division, so first, bring down this 1, then 1 times 1, this is 1, then add. So this is 1, then 1 times 1, this is 1, then add. So negative 7 plus 1, this is negative 6, then negative 6 times 1, this is negative 6. Since the remainder is 0, therefore 1 is the root of this equation. So we have now our first value, x equals 1. Then to find the second and the third from this quotient, since the exponent is 3, so therefore this becomes 1x to the power 2, then plus, this is 1x, then this one is the constant, then equals 0. Or this is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. Then from this quadratic to find the roots, so using the quadratic factoring, so x squared is x times x, and this negative 6, this one is 3 times 2. Since the middle term is positive, therefore the bigger number must be positive. So therefore, x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to positive 2. So these are the three roots for x. So x is positive 1, x is positive 2, and x is negative 3. Then from this, we can solve now for y. From these three values for x, then using the equation of the curve, so we need to substitute now the x from this equation. So for x equals positive 1, then to simplify, so this is 1. This one is negative 14. This is positive 17. Then add all these numbers, so y equals 44. So the coordinate is positive 1 and positive 44. So this is now the first coordinate. Then for x equals positive 2. Then to simplify, so this 2 to the power 4, this is 16. Then 2 to the power 2, this is 4. So, and 4 times 14, this is negative 56. Then 17 times 2, this one is 34. Then bring down positive 40. Then add all these numbers. So y equals positive 34. So the coordinate, positive 2 and positive 34. Then for the last value for x, that's negative 3. Then to simplify, so this negative 3 to the power 4, this is positive 81. Negative 3 to the power 2, this is 9, and 9 times negative 14. So this one is negative 126. Then positive 17 times negative 3. This is negative 51. Then bring down the positive 40. Then add all these numbers. So y equals negative 56. So the coordinate, negative 3 and negative 56. Then from these three coordinates, we can find now the equation of the tangent line. Using this point slope formula. And again, the slope is negative 7. So from the first coordinate, now take note that this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So y sub 1 and x sub 1. So this becomes y minus y sub 1 is 44 then equals the slope is negative 7 then times x minus x sub 1 is 1. Then to simplify, so this becomes negative 7x positive 7. Then transpose this negative 44. So this becomes positive 44. So we have y equals 7x plus 51. So this is now the first equation of the tangent line. Then from the second coordinate, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. Then from this formula, so y minus positive 34 then equals the slope is negative 7 then times x minus positive 2. Then simplify. So this becomes negative x positive 14. Then transpose to the other side. So this becomes positive 34. So we have y equals negative 7x plus 48. So this is now the second equation of the tangent line. Then from the third coordinate, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So we have y minus negative 56 then equals the slope is negative 7 then times x minus x sub 1 is negative 3. Then for this double negative, so that becomes positive then equals this is negative 7x. And again, this double negative becomes positive. So negative 7 times positive 3, that's negative 21. And transpose to the other side. So this is 7x minus 21. Then this becomes negative 56. Then we need to simplify. So y equals negative 7x then minus 77. So these are the three equations of the tangent line.